Hello my materialistic minions, it's me Beau coming to you today with gloves. These are some of the top rated gloves on Amazon. I have a big package here of those classic deerskin type gloves that you see. You've probably grown up with them since day one. Then also we've got some much more expensive gloves. These are, I'm not gonna say the exact price because then Amazon will take down my video. Apparently they don't like it because some prices do change. So I wanted to show you these are directly out of the box. And this is how they fit. I got a size large, and I would say that, my hands are not too big, not too small, but really I just kind of wanted to point out the features of this guy. So there is a bit of a closure right there. There's a snot pad right there. So if it's cold out, you gotta wipe like so. Be careful, don't wipe too much because you'll actually see that there's a bit of a rough edge right there due to the reinforced fingertips. You can kind of almost hear that kind of sounds like sandpaper, and yet these tips right here are soft right there, so there's actual some tactile type feel sensation. Now of course these are definitely work gloves. I would use these to swing an axe or stack wood or something like that. And they also do have reinforced knuckles, which has always puzzled me. I don't know why. Do they expect you to go start a fight? I don't know. We're gonna drop these now. We're gonna look at the other highly rated gloves right here, and these are also directly out of the package. They smell new. And I got a whole bunch of these guys. Now these are the classic gloves that you probably see all the time. These are also large, and we're gonna go ahead and open these up and see how they feel. Okay, that's nice. Oh, customer service. Oh, if you're not satisfied. You'll see that one side is kind of a softer type, but then this is more smooth on the actual side that we are going to be putting on our palms. So these, of course, you'll see that these are a lot less form-fitting. You can even see the thumb right there. Granted, they're half of the price, or maybe even 25% of the price. So these are much more disposable. If you are someone who's working on the side of a building in Seattle welding iron together, you're probably not gonna have these. But if you're just a weekend warrior who's just going out to do some gardening or chopping some wood every once in a while, these would suffice just nicely. You don't necessarily need that snot pad on the side or the reinforced knuckles or the reinforced thumb or something like that. But these will definitely last you a summer. But just be aware, you're probably gonna have to throw these away at the end of summer. Okay, so that's it. My name is Beau. Hopefully this is helpful in determining whether or not these gloves are right for you. I'll leave the link to these guys in the description below. Catch you later.